Okay, so to begin our psychoanalytic perspective, we're going to remember that psychoanalytic is going to view your personality through the eyes of the unconscious and early childhood experiences. So the very first thing that we're going to look at is this 3 levels of awareness. So according to this perspective, we have the top level, which is called the conscious, and this is anything we're aware of right now. You're aware of my voice, you may be aware that you're hungry, you may be aware that a test is coming up, you're thinking about it right now. So that's going to be that top level. The next layer is going to be considered the preconscious. Now this is filled with all of our memories, it's all of our stored information, and even though we're not thinking about it right now, we can still go get it. So for instance, you're taking the notes, you're listening to my lecture, and I ask you out of the blue, what's your best friend's name? Now, you weren't thinking about that a minute ago, and now you are. So where was it? It was in the preconscious because you could go get it. But then we have this last layer, this deep layer, and this is hidden from us. According to Freud, the only way we could get this would be through dream interpretation or hypnosis. So when we're looking at the unconscious, this is filled with all of those deep, dark things. So things that maybe you were embarrassed that you did and you can't remember that. Remember, it has to be hidden from us. Our fears, we're not quite sure where they came from. Maybe this aggression that rises its head. Maybe it's being selfish. That's part of our unconscious as well. So again, this is an intro into our 3 levels of awareness in the psychoanalytic perspective.